In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add Nasdaq or NAS 100 in MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5, then go to quotes here. First of all, you can look here if you can see Nasdaq or NAS 100. If you can't see it, you go to this plus icon here at the top right. Click on it. We have here find symbols. So you have to type here NAS 100. Okay, we don't have NAS 100. You can look for US 100. Okay, for me, I have US 100. If you can't see US 100, you have to look for US Tech. Like this. Uh, like this. All of them are the same. All of them are CFDs of the NASDAQ, okay? So for me, I have US 100. Click on this plus after you find yours. US 100, NAS 100, and US Tech, all of them are the same thing. So remember that. Now let's go back. And as you can see, we have here US 100. Here, this one. So click on it and click on chart. And as you can see, this is the NASDAQ chart. Okay? In that set. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.